south, passing curtain side, traffic light, 100, yeah.
We're taking Broadway. The wrong way towards 8th Street. On Primary. Coming up on Main. We're in the railroad area.
Hands up now! Hands up now! Hands up now! Get out of this car! Get out of this car! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground! Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Give me one fucking bit, I'll kick your ass. You understand? Yes, sir. TBI 1015. Fucking ass. You are stupid. Why the hell are you running? Billson? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Get in this fucking car. You gotta be shitting me. That's one of my soldiers. We're I'm 10-4, 10-15, one male. I'm down in the railroad area. I'm not exactly sure where. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Gotta be freaking kidding me, man.
Was it just that one occupant?
One occupant. He's actually one of my soldiers in the Army.
You good for us to clear the net?
Yeah, go ahead. What is your major malfunction? Why? Any reason?
It's 12:30, brother.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get home.
Okay.
It was 12 o'clock, dude. I was just trying to get home, dude.
We just got felony fleeing.
I didn't even know they were chasing me until I was going 100. When I seen your lights behind me and flick all the lights on, I was already going 110.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you're not just going to pull over at that point? You're just going to endanger everyone on the roadway? Man, you are not anywhere close to this level to be doing stuff like this. This ain't you at all.
Oh, no, dude. I
met him at the Adobe.
I get if you're scared, but don't freaking flee.
You're already behind me. I'm corner.
Then pull over, man. Where you stay at? Sherwood?
10-6-18 Roadway Drive.
Okay. You got someone I can call, family member or something?
Yeah, 100.
Who?
Probably my mom.
Your mom? Is she at that address?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that your rucksack that's in the back seat?
Rucksack.
I saw a big backpack back there.
Yeah, that golf club, something.
Golf clubs or something?
Maybe. I just play golf.
What are you even doing out tonight this late?
Watching the Arkansas game. We just have the Arkansas game.
West on east to 120.
We came out. I mean, I don't know. We were just hanging out after the Arkansas game. One of my buddies got off at the 7. Came and got him. And we stayed at his house for a second. We were coming back.
All right, watch your legs. I'm gonna move you to the other side. There's more leg room.
Wait. 116 350. Step 1. When you get finished on stop, just 2181, please.
All right.